Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your lies for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
What is this, man? I know there's a lot of Kim Kardashian fans, but me not care, this no look good. The boy Kanye West, how you deal with, eh? How you have the girl look like that? This a girl look like she pregnant in her body. Where your thighs there? The thighs, where are those? For your body look saggy like what? And you tell me say enough girl out there wish them look like Kim. Wish you look like you're wearing a baby nappy all day long. Like you wear a baby nappy with full of doo-doo. Need to get a body reduction, man. Something need to work out with your body and your thighs. You know, she said gravity a try pull down your body. I know that women with big breasts, it does drop. Cool. But me never know say body can start sag too. Your body look like when a fat man belly hang over in pants. You really look like a duck now. Big body and little skinny leg. Our body look like it had a stroke. Our body look like a plastic bag with a melon in it. Our bumper look like it been in a car accident and it hang off. If you fix up the body there don't look good at all. I'll be collecting homework after class. You're ratty. You do your homework last night? Yeah, man. You can copy it? Yeah, man. F minus. Yo, what you get? It's a F I get still enough. Sir, how come him get F and me get F minus? Next time you copy, don't put him on name. I have to do it, Nikki, but you just cause it on yourself. Nikki, can't you see? Your body look pregnant with meat, baby. My God! Nikki, what go on with your bumper? Wait, you and Kim Kardashian a twin with bumper? You not do the same workout in the gym? Like, how you do squats in the gym and get a bigger bumper, but you can't get bigger thighs? What kind of workout you a do? Are there some Meek Mills a hide him lyric book? Meek, and that's why you can't remember how to spit proper lyrics. Body look like the back of the alien head out of American dad. See him there? Our thighs look like when you are cooked chicken and the meat fall off of the leg and start roll up to the top, and then you have the big piece at the top and then you just have the bone. I saw your leg look. I like big butts and I cannot lie, but where the fuck are your thighs? Like seriously, this shit need to stop. Well, on like a whole heap of shit you have stopped in a year, but if you go to the toilet and empty that the dumper truck, that is really a dumper truck, full of dump. Even South America shape better than you. Look. See that? Look like the anaconda where you did a sing about bite off your thighs. Oh, now I wonder what me I look for. Me I look for your thighs. Hey, big head boy, where you make up so much noise for? A Pikachu me I look for, mommy. Pikachu? Listen to me, boy. You better go pick up your book before me pick you up and dash out the door. But Pikachu. As a matter of fact, go pick up the broom and sweep out the house. Big head boy.
Babe, just give me a look at the piece, no man, you move, sir. Just give me a look at piece, man.
Stop.
Okay. Yo, it's cool now, my girl. You go on some, man. Just come here, man. Give me a look at piece. Yeah, give me a look at piece. Give me a kiss now.
No.
Can I get a kiss? Give me a kiss. You know, so I love you. I'm a baby, you know. I'm a baby. Come here, man. You pull it from me. Don't pull it from me, man. I want to you. Give me a little piece of the something. Come now, man. Oh, you move some, my girl. Come now, man. You have a kilo like a rape me and rape you. Come on, now, man.
I'm Harry. Stop jump on the people them sofa. So how is you and your husband? Stop jump on the people them sofa. Sorry about it. Normally he behave himself very well. 1 minute. Big head boy, me not tell you stop jump on the people them sofa. Man, me take a copy and mash up your head. How was that? I wonder if that girl a popcorn see and say, kick out. Alright, let's not laugh at this. Obviously, something not right. Who are your daddy? Bigfoot? Surely you can't only wear slippers or go barefoot. If your girl and you and her break up and she kick you out of the house, she'll kick you more than the doorstep. She'll kick you to a different country. Like, that is... I don't even know if it's say. You know, say she have 2 foot long subway. Imagine that though. Foot pan shoulder, not pan my shoulder. And when you go scuba diving, you already have your flipper. Or your foot look like a cricket bat. I guess if you're dating her and you get stuck out at sea in a boat with no paddle, just make she kick around her back and use the foot them as paddle. Really? Alright then you right, move man! Hey boy, yes babes. Now better come yes babes me. Why you a follow Miss Bootylicious can't done set good? The truth is, Because she have a big body and I like look upon it. But really? Oh, she have some shoes where I know you're gonna like and I want to buy them for you, so I want to show you. You go buy shoes for me?
Hello.
Good day, sir. Would you be interested in...
Me not talk English.
We have it in different languages, sir.
Yo, me can't read.
I can read it to you.
Me deaf.
We have it in Braille as well.
Already. What you not have?
Case closed. Next case. Y'all know the next case is a man and woman a fight over who if you have the child, you know. So let me ask you something, Empress. Why do you feel like you should have the custody of the child? Your Honor, I carried that baby for 9 months. I went through a 24-hour labor with that baby. I went through so much pain, morning sickness. While I was giving birth, he was out with his friends. Not only that, every child, every baby needs their mother. So the baby should stay with me. Alright, Ballhead, why you? Yo, Your Honor, let me ask you something. You see, if I go to a vending machine and I put my money into that machine and then a can of drink come out of that machine, does that can of drink belong to me or the machine? Well, the can of drinks belong to you. I rest my case. Hello, I'm Yardie. I want to go in at that I want to go on right now. I want to your friend, man. I saw she stay. Watch. What do you mean want to her friend? Want to she have her 3 kids in her bed asleep right now. You have kids and your body looks so good. Thanks. 3 kids me have, you know. Hello, she no want no man and her body no shape good. A waist train and she have a... Alright, babes, what go on? Alright, but I want to ask you something. What that? So I did on Instagram a while ago and I look through your followers. And I noticed that you start following one girl on there. We never used to depend on there before. Who is she? Girl? I don't know what you're talking about, babes. You don't know what I'm talking about? You like this picture on her Instagram about 5 seconds ago. I probably accident, babes. Probably just a scroll past and accidentally touch it and never mean for, you know? Oh, an accident. You can accidentally slip and double tap, double triple tap. You even start to follow how the accident happened. Let me tell you something. The only accident happened was me and you. So accidentally get yourself out of my house. Harry, why you not up getting ready to go to school?
I don't feel well, Mum.
Son, what's wrong with you? You alright?
No, I just don't feel good at all.
Yeah, I'll call the school and let them know you won't be coming in today. You take it easy. You stay in bed. Hey, big head boy, you still in a bed, I do. Come get up and get ready for go school.
Mama, I don't feel good.
You don't feel well? What's wrong with you?
I don't know, I feel like I catch something.
Let me ask you something. Your hand them can't move?
Yeah, my hand them alright.
What about your leg them? You can't walk?
No, my leg them alright, I can't walk, Mama.
Well, come get up out of the bed and get ready and come go school, boy. You are catch something. You don't think you'll catch on you something licking at your big head. Thanks for calling We Fix It. How can I help you?
I buy a computer from you and it now work.
Okay, sir. I'm just going to place you on hold.
Work. To me, I be work.
Hi, sir. Thanks for waiting.
Yo, where you cut the tune for, dog? Put me back on hold, man.
Hey, motivational speakers be like this, yeah? In life, you gotta stand out. You gotta be different from the rest. You can't be like everybody else. You gotta be different. You want me to show you what I mean? Let me show you what I mean. You see this spoon of coffee? This is you. Now, if you ain't different, when I put you with everyone else, you're gonna be like the rest of them. You gotta be that bubble. That's what. You see that bubble over there? That bubble stands out. That's gotta be you. You gotta stand out against the rest. Be yourself. Be different. Yeah. Let me motivate you some more. If you're gonna do anything, make sure you do it to your best. If you're gonna be sugar, make sure you're the sweetest sugar there is. Yeah.
Yo, why me feel like every motivational speaker sound like that? I don't know. A DJ calling me blame for that still, you know. Yeah, that are some things where him would have said.
Keys. I want to put my key there, man.
Babe. Babes, you see me key? Oi.
Paint it, man, playing boy, ya bang, ding, yum, bang, ding, pan, ya bam, bam. So yeah, I'm in the grocery store and grab some groceries. I'm this boy watch me. I look at him and say, Ray, see boobs there, run go yam him out. And when we at checkout, it's like she in front of me. I realize she lost her money or her purse, so she couldn't pay for the things. When I reach her till and then check out my things, I'm saying, whole heap of money. I go out like I never have no money. But they have my money for me. I go out never have money for me and turn around and look for him and him pay a fee for me. You know, so pay a fee, you know, I say, I'm pay for that fee, you know. She said thank you and thing and swap number and yeah. But they get kicked out of my mother's house and I remember I didn't give him number, so I call him and ask him if I can come stay with him. So I then go around and go stay with him. What happened? What you did I do? I'm cheap on you. Yeah, cheap on you. I don't love you. Someone must cheap on you. Who is you? Like if 1 time then cool, 2 time, alright, me still there with you, 3 time, cool, me there with you, but how many times? And your brother did come around 1 time too. I haven't done it. So you cry for at least me can't take with him. Watch. Next minute you go him talk about me, I'll kill himself. Watch idiot. Watch idiot now.
Kill myself.
One, do it. Hold on, me catch you on Snapchat. Yo, wagwan people, welcome to the weather update. Hear what me I say now? Out the door now good. Stay in your yard, call out there breezy, windy breeze a blow. Worse if you're mager or you're skinny, don't go out there cause the breeze will fling your way. The breeze will have you up in the sky like kite or fly. You see the fluffy them and the champion them, uno good, uno can go out there and walk, breeze can't do no nothing. And to the fluffy them out there, uno can make a money upon the road cause no might see a skinny when want to reach somewhere, uno can just charge them for tie themselves to uno. Come here tell you say that breeze is not normal, you just a walk and the breeze just stop you and say where you go. And ladies, you see, if you wear hair extension, wig and weave, make sure you tie that down properly. Furthermore, get some super glue and hold it down, cause the weave with up on the road and look like tumbleweave. Same thing for the eyelashes them too. Make sure you glue down your eyelashes, ladies. So yeah, that was the weather update. Big up on yourself. Follow me up on my Snapchat, my Instagram and Facebook. You don't know the thing already. Back to the news boy over there, so. Dad, guess what? Alright, son, what's up? I passed my driving test. I got my license now. Well done, son. I knew you could do it. Hey, Dad, can I borrow the car and go for a spin? Of course you can. The key's on the side there, mate. Get your mum to stick you on the insurance. Yo, Dad, what go on? Yo, what go on, son? Passed my driving test, man. My license now, you know. Yeah, man, I know you could have do it, man. Well done, son. Daddy, me I wonder, like, me can borrow the car and go for a little spin? Who for car? Your car. My car with me work and pay for. You must have drink mad puss piss. Look like you lick your head after you pass your test. Boy drive my car. Boy you want to take my car for your little spin. Go spin on your head till you're dizzy. That the spin that you figure do. Let me ask you something. Before you go get the license, you never know say you need a car for drive.
Yeah,
So why you never get a car before you get license, eh? What kind of idiot you be? You run go get license and don't have a car for drive. Now you want to drive my car? You're mad man. But nothing. You think when you drive and crash and mash up my car, me can go mechanic and tell them but fix what? Fix nothing. But drive me car. Drive you wouldn't know and all of that you fi do.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Peace.